Has your Facebook suddenly logged you out? Wondering if your account has been disabled? In this video, we'll show you how to find out for sure. First, let's cover the most common signs that your Facebook account has been disabled. The most reliable indicator is a message saying your account has been disabled. This appears right after login attempt. You'll often receive an email from Facebook explaining why your account was disabled, especially if it was due to violating policies. Accounts are commonly disabled for violating Facebook's community standards, like impersonation, spam, or inappropriate content. You can also search your profile from another Facebook account. If your name doesn't show up, it's a strong sign the account is disabled. Attempting to reset your password can help. If Facebook says account not found, it's likely been disabled. Visit the Facebook Help Center. There, you can confirm if your account is disabled and even submit an appeal. If you believe your account was disabled by mistake, you can fill out the appeal form and wait for Facebook's response. After submitting the form, be patient. It can take a few days or even weeks for Facebook to review and respond. To summarize, if you're logged out, receive a disabled message, and can't reset your password, chances are your account is disabled. Check email and visit Facebook Help Center for next steps.